hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the camera comparison between the Samsung S9 Plus and the OnePlus 5T. By the way, this video is being shot on the S9 Plus and the audio is from the phone itself. Now with that said, let's get started. On the rear, S9 Plus comes with a dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel primary camera with variable aperture, with f1.5 aperture and f2.4 aperture, with 1.4 micron pixel size, dual pixel autofocus. Following that is a 12 megapixel secondary camera with f2.4 aperture with telephoto lens which offers 2x optical zoom. By the way, both cameras come with optical image stabilization. On the front, it has a single 8 megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture and 1.22 micron pixel size. On the rear, OnePlus 5T sports a dual camera setup with a 16 megapixel primary camera with f1.7 aperture and a 20 megapixel secondary camera with f1.7 aperture, which by the way doesn't come with any telephoto lens like the previous OnePlus 5. On the front, it sports a 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Now let's look at some sample shots. All these pictures were taken in daylight and well-lit conditions with auto HDR on. Right out of the box, there is a noticeable difference in dynamic range. You can check out the area under the shade and the sky. On 5T, sky is blown out, and on S9 Plus, you can clearly see the blue color. On 5T, colors are to the warmer side when compared to the S9 Plus. Capturing speeds and focusing speeds are good on both phones, but focusing speeds were slightly faster on the S9 Plus. Even macro shots turn out to be better on S9 Plus. With the secondary camera, you can take even better macro shots. Now these are some pictures taken with 2x zoom. On Samsung, it is an optical zoom, so there is no loss in information, while on 5T, it is just a zoomed image. So comparatively, S9 will perform better in this round. Now coming to the portrait mode, here are the sample shots. On Samsung, it is called live focus mode, where we can change the blur effect and the focus point even after taking the picture. On 5T, we can't do that. Just like with the regular pictures, color reproduction, skin tones, dynamic range are all better on the S9 Plus. Pictures from S9 Plus also have better sharpness when zoomed in. Edge detection is almost equally good on both phones, but S9 Plus blurs the background more than 5T. Portrait mode works equally good on both phones, but because of other aspects, pictures from S9 Plus look much better. Now coming to low light performance, these are some pictures taken in indoor lighting conditions. Images from 5T look noticeably warm and different from S9 Plus. Colors look more accurate on S9 Plus. In low light, when zoomed in, S9 Plus has better sharpness. Capturing speeds were equally good on both phones. Now these are some pictures taken in low light outdoor conditions. Colors look slightly faded and warm on 5T. Images are also soft with some noise. S9 Plus has better color reproduction, but sometimes look very saturated. Images are comparatively more sharper with less visible noise. In low light, we can see a significant difference between both the phones. Now coming to selfies, here are the sample shots. By the way, all these selfies were taken with auto HDR on. Selfies from S9 Plus look slightly more wider, with better color reproduction and better exposure control. Even the skin tones look slightly better on the S9 Plus. Now coming to portrait selfies, only S9 Plus offers this mode, so here are the sample shots. As of now, OnePlus 5T doesn't offer this feature. OnePlus 5T might give us this feature with a software update in the future. Now these are some selfies taken in low light conditions. There is a noticeable difference in terms of color reproduction. Selfies from 5T look slightly dull, while selfies from S9 Plus look bright with saturated colors. Selfies look soft on both phones, but they look slightly better on S9 Plus. Capturing speeds are good on both phones, but you need very stable hands to take sharp selfies. Now coming to video recording, here's the sample footage recorded in 1080p at 60 fps. So guys, this is the footage from the rear cameras of the S9 Plus and the OnePlus 5T. On the left side I have the S9 Plus and on the right side I have the OnePlus 5T. I am currently recording the video at 1080p at 30 fps and I have enabled video stabilization on the S9 Plus. OnePlus 5T comes with video stabilization by default and there's no option to enable it or disable it. Now I'm going to zoom in. Secondary camera on the S9 Plus comes with a telephoto lens, so it offers us 2x optical zoom, while on the OnePlus 5T it is just a digital zoom. Now I'm going to switch back to the primary camera, that's zooming out. Comparatively, footage from 5T looks warm and footage from S9 Plus looks more sharper. While using the secondary camera, S9 still offers better stabilization, while 5T doesn't. Now this is the footage recorded at 4K at 30 fps but downscaled to 1080p. Guys, now I'm recording video on the S9 Plus and the OnePlus 5T in 4K resolution at 30 fps. On the S9 Plus we can also record video at 60 fps, but 5T doesn't support this feature right now and it might never do it. So I'm just going to record at 30 fps and the same video will be downscaled to 1080p as all my videos are uploaded right now at Full HD resolution. Now I'm going to use the secondary camera on the S9 Plus and use the 2x option on the OnePlus 5T. Now let's check out the stabilization in 4K resolution using the secondary camera and zoomed footage on the OnePlus 5T. Now I'm going to zoom out. So guys, let me know how's the noise cancellation from both the phones and the stabilization in 4K resolution using the primary camera and the secondary camera. Once again, colors on 5T look warmer than S9 Plus. Footage from 5T looks very soft, especially when we zoom in, but it is pretty stable. Footage on S9 Plus looks very sharp, but does a bit of focus hunting and has a slight jittery effect. And stabilization isn't as good as a 1080p recording. Footage quality is obviously better on S9 Plus. Now here's the sample footage recorded using the front camera of both phones. So guys, this is the footage from the S9 Plus and the OnePlus 5T recorded using the front facing camera at 1080p resolution. On the S9 Plus we can also record footage in Quad HD resolution, but I'm just recording it in 1080p. Both phones offer stabilization, but footage from S9 Plus is wider. Samsung overexposes the footage to make it look bright, subject looks fair, but the background is slightly faded. Dynamic range still looks better on the S9 Plus. So guys, to conclude, Samsung S9 Plus definitely has much better cameras than the OnePlus 5T, but the difference isn't huge enough to justify the price. So guys, looking at the sample pictures and the sample footage, what do you think about these phones? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.